Hey everybody, Lois, ladiesofjustice.league.com, and here's Amy. Amy, what's that thing over there on the wall? Can you tell me what this is?
What thing on the wall?
Right here. What is that?
I don't know. A box of whatever.
It's
A monument. Monument of the old days.
You know, Mount Rushmore, that kind of thing? That's a monument too. Who can tell us what that is? I was thrilled. Amy,
Oh.
show that to me.
If you're not old enough, Google it. You'll get a picture and figure out what that is. It used to be all over the place.
ladiesofjusticeleague.com, and leave a comment, like this video, share it, and subscribe. All right. Talk soon. Take care.